I never played sport. I was down here as a kid. I grew up here and fished and rowed and mucked around in the water. Played baseball for 1 year. That was good.
Now the weather, there's a strong wind warning for the west and east coasts. For the state, a fine day with cloud increasing from the west, isolated showers over the southwest tonight. A cool day with light to moderate north to northwesterly winds. For the bays, north to northwesterly winds of 15 to 20 knots and seas to 1.5 metres. And for Melbourne, mainly fine this afternoon, a possible shower and 15 tomorrow, mainly sunny, and 16 on Saturday, and cloudy and 17 on Sunday. It's 11 degrees now.
Underneath, and pull the slack in. That makes it even tighter.
I always wanted to work down the yard. And I come down and saw my old man and I said to him, I want to work here. And he said, well, you can't. I said, yes, I can. I can paint, I can do anything. And he said, I'll tell you what, I'll send you to trade school. If you go back to trade school and become a boat builder, you can work here. So I said, fine, we'll do that. You've got to find the good timber, which is even rarer again now. You can get it. And if you're going to steam it and bend it and twist it, it's got to be straight grained, no knots, no shakes in what we call shakes. As old Jack Pompey used to say, they build a car that'll last only 10 years, but we can't change the construction of boats. We have to do it in a time-tested way, because once you're out at sea, if it gets nasty, you want everything to hold together properly, and there's only a certain way to do it, because there's no compromise with the sea. Mostly it's the old way we do it. It hasn't changed. That's the system. My father taught me, his father taught him, and his father taught him. Everyone's got lots of pictures of their boats. Some people have got it on their phones. The wives say, well, why haven't you got a picture of the kids? It can really capture you the shape of a boat. And then you see the work that goes into that shape. And some of them are difficult. And you think, oh, you want to try and build that thing. And you wonder how they do it. Every now and then one will pop up. That's New Zealand Kauri, the Shew and Pine, and the shape's beautiful, and they've put the effort in to get it right, and it's still retaining its shape. You see them everywhere, and it catches your imagination, and that sometimes will drive a person to restore the whole boat when they see the shape, fall in love with it. So we're trying to put back into a restoration what comes out of it, or if not better, and that's where we look all the time for recycled timber, and it's a challenge. If you like something that lasts a long time, it kind of grows with you, I guess. It's like a painting that you can't get rid of. You want to keep that painting till the day you die. It's a sentimental attachment, isn't it? Something that you really like and you just can't part with it.
Sit there now. Beautiful.
Finding that old classic wooden boat in a terrible state, but just looking at the shape and going, that's a beautiful boat. We've got some teak here that was salvaged from the Cerebus. The Cerebus was dismantled in 1926 by Paddy Whelan, the original Whelan from Whelan the Wreckers, and some of it was put in a shed in Williamstown, and about 6 years ago it was given to me. So every project I do for people, every boat, no matter how small, gets a piece of that teak. Yeah.